Items into the basket. Basil. Nope. Well done. Cheese. Correct. Halfway through. Tomatoes. Perfect. Olive oil. Well done. Ingredients. Tap an ingredient to choose it. Tear off all the leaves. We need to grate this. Are ready. Sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. For topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Hurrah! The pizza's ready. We need to find where our friend lives. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Pedal to the metal. Watch out! A log ahead. Watch out! Hares ahead! Watch out! Oh, the bee our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Well done. Everyone's full and happy. Tap the present to open. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.